I bought this worn-out Audi A8 from the backyard of a repair shop for 8,500 yuan. To finally make my luxury car dream come true, I didn't hesitate to bring it home and start the restoration. My friends told me to stay away from this car, but who doesn't dream of owning a luxury car at least once? Alright, let's get started. I'll document the entire restoration from start to finish so you can witness this old luxury car's incredible comeback. Alright, buddy, let's drop the engine first. After tearing the engine down, we found the knocking noise was caused by a failed timing chain tensioner and a scored cylinder wall. The only solution was to rebore the cylinder. Once that was done, all the engine parts were thoroughly cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner before reassembly. All the parts have been thoroughly cleaned, and the results speak for themselves. Every component looks spotless because that's the level of detail we aim for. Now it's time to start reassembling the engine. Engine assembly completed. Next comes reinstalling the front subframe. This part is too heavy to handle alone, so you'll definitely want an extra pair of hands. The rear suspension is now in place. Next, we remove the underbody shield so the rest of the chassis can be restored and reassembled. The entire suspension and chassis have been completely disassembled, leaving parts scattered everywhere. After 2 days and 2 nights of hard work, every component has been fully restored and now looks just like new. It's finally time to reinstall the chassis and drop the rebuilt engine back into the car. Next comes the paintwork, followed by an upgrade to the 2018 Audi A8 style. We use premium BASF Glasurit water-based paint paired with Glasurit 923-335 clear coat, a combination that delivers an outstanding factory quality finish. All the individual parts have been painted, and now it's time to spray the body shell. The car has officially entered the paint booth for its full exterior finish. The paint job is complete and the baking process is finished. What do you think of the final result? Are you satisfied with this finish? If you want to impress with your car, a worn-out interior is an instant deal breaker. That's why giving the interior a complete restoration is just as important as the exterior. All the interior parts that needed restoration have been removed. The sagging headliner and worn-out upholstery will be completely redone. We're also upgrading the seats with premium suede upholstery and adding a ventilation system to make every drive far more comfortable. The seat perforations are complete, and the ventilation motors have been installed. The headliner has also been reupholstered in premium suede, giving the cabin a fresh, luxurious look. The sunroof switch was scratched and faded, so we replaced it with a brand new one. After installing the new headliner and seats, the ventilation system was fitted and tested, though we won't show every step of the installation. Next, we install the facelift body kit and upgrade the wheels, giving the car a much newer and more aggressive look. Fresh set of alloy wheels, 4 brand new tires, and new lug nut caps complete the upgrade. The transformation is finally complete. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.